Cough, cold, sore throat? Don't rush to pills, try this natural home cure. Take 1 cup warm water. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon honey. Honey soothes the throat and reduces coughing. Sip this drink slowly at night. Turmeric fights infection, black pepper clears mucus. Warm water relaxes the throat. Also inhale steam with eucalyptus oil once daily. It opens blocked nose and eases chest congestion. Try this for 2 to 3 days and feel the relief. Follow for more simple natural health tips.